This is Pedro, your local real estate agent. He recently listed a penthouse located in the amazing Cabo, Costa. This unit is a few months away from being delivered, so he got access to a unit with the exact same layout, so you can visualize yourself inside the sexy unit that is Duna 404. We even added this Breaking Bad yellow filter, so you're reminded that this is sunny Mexico. So turn your phone or tilt the hell out of your neck and let's begin. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom corner unit penthouse, complete with an extended balcony and a private rooftop with a plunge pool. As you can see, this unit has a beautiful ocean view. Well, guess what, baby girl? Duna 404 also has an ocean view. We know how much you like to do all of your activities while looking at a large body of water. Cabo Costa's great location keeps you close to everything you'll need: beaches, grocery stores, restaurants, hiking trails, pickleball courts. Duna 404 is so great. Pedro has been staying there even though it's under construction. He claims that the ocean view is worth it, but I theorize he can't afford rent. You also have covered parking, elevator, security, and a whole bunch of amenities that we will list on our next video when Pedro takes time out of trying to be funny on the internet to show you everything Cabo Costa has to offer.